Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So we should open first the settings and tap the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should use this switcher. After activating this switcher, you will see all of the available networks. Select one from the networks to enter the password. Here you'll see the eye icon to see the password for example, to have no sign mistakes. After that, just tap to connect, wait a couple of seconds, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just first open the control panel. You'll see here a Wi-Fi icon. Tap on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.